sassy monster trucks in it. And this is Ted.
Hey, I'm gonna be joining him today and we're gonna have some fun.
Awesome. Okay.
Let's start building the Lego house. This is one piece head.
Okay.
It fits. I think it's almost done.
Yeah, we just gotta finish it up a little bit more. Then we're gonna crash it with some monster trucks. Okay.
Digga Ted. I think some on top of here, maybe. So this. And put it right there. Ooh, this looks good. It's done yet.
It's a pretty cool house, you guys.
I'll go get stone twister. Ollie! No. You want Lego? Can you smash that house?
Whoa, Ted! That was awesome.
Okay. I like it.
I didn't think it was gonna break. That was so cool.
Then look at my house I'm building.
That's a crazy house. Oh, look at that. That has a tree on the top.
And
With a pizza. It grows pizza.
Yeah.
The tree grows pizza. That would be the best tree in the whole world.
Yeah.
There's ice on there. There's ice on there.
So you're making an ice house with a leak, and he's making a pizza tree house.
I should make it a tree house.
Hey, you know what? Look what I'm building.
Tell me about it.
It's gonna be really beautiful when it comes out.
Okay.
Let's see if the monster truck's gonna break it quick. So this piece is going to go right here.
Does he want a green iPad?
Oh, look at Ted's tree house. Wow. You guys are making some pretty cool houses.
And there are the pieces. Mickey Mouse with Captain America's shield.
Oh, nice.
A helicopter on top of the one piece.
Oh, I like your helicopter.
Okay. I'm done with my house.
Nice.
I'm done with mine.
All right, let's go crash them.
Okay.
The ultimate destruction. Yeah.
I'm using stone twister.
Okay.
I'm using Yeti.
Yeti.
Go.
Ah!
Yes! Stone twister. Dad, you see what stone twister did? He smacked that house in pieces.
I have a feeling that monster trucks are gonna break the tree off really easy. This is the battle of the dogs. I'm using Monster Mutt Poodle.
I'm using husky.
Alrighty.
3, 2, 1.
Ah, miss! Wow!
You see what highlighter Casey did?
Did he crash into it?
It got so destroyed.
But Ted, it didn't get that much damage.
Should we go again?
It broke off your leak in your
We can do
helicopter.
monster trucks, okay? Let's go back to our normal monster, okay? If I do a backflip, like,
Whoa, that'd be cool.
and then like land on the side.
That'd be way cool, huh? Whoa.
Now,
Look
put
at
down
this.
and do a house. Okay?
Which side? I'm using Bakugan Dragon.
I'm using zombie brain. Give me mine.
Okay. and go.
And like now we
2,
know, like,
1.
Ah!
Oh, that GoPro went.
But nothing is destroying this house.
But how did the GoPro fly past? And
1. Oh, ah.
Ah!
I sent it late.
you see that?
The tree bent. It was the GoPro that did the damage.
Yeah. Maybe we should do GoPro battles how.
Okay, now what are you guys doing?
We're gonna send down 4 monster trucks.
Whoa.
This house is
I'm doing-
unbeatable.
Let's see which ones you got.
I'm doing racing stripes. Whoops, head, stone crusher, and Todd flies.
Okay.
I'm doing Max D, Bakugan Dragon, El Toro Loco, and Horsepower.
Awesome.
Or Horsepower.
Yep. Okay.
Oh!
You knocked Mickey off.
I don't think that was fair.
Okay, I'll go get it. I'll go get it for
Can
you.
fix Mickey too?
Okay. Ah! Ah!
Okay.
You
Okay,
gonna?
after flower.
Are you gonna karate chop it? That could hurt.
Okay. We can do a drop. Watch out, Luke.
Oh. Whoa! Ah!
My house is sturdy and it's hollow.
Whoa!
You did it! Destroyed it last.
You're more powerful than any monster trucks, you two.
Yeah.
I think I'm the strongest because I'm like, ah!
Ted.
That did not go how I thought it would.
Subscribe and don't forget to play Monster Trucks.